In today's video, we are going to learn a wonderful trick, with the help of which we will solve this kind of difficult multiplication in seconds. So let's start today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn the trick of three-digit multiplication. Suppose we have to multiply 5, 6, 3 from 4 to 1. For this, we have to follow 5 simple steps. In the first step, we have to multiply the rightmost numbers. That is 3 and 1. After multiplying 3 and 1, we will get 3. So we have to write it in the answer. Now in step 2, we have to multiply diagonally. That is, first we have to multiply 6 from 1. Then we will get 6. Then we have to multiply 2 from 3. Then we will get 6. Now we know that after multiplying, we have to add the number that comes. So if we add 6 to 6, we will get 12. We will write 2 of 12 on the left of 3 in the answer, and 1 in the carry. Now in step 3, we have to multiply 5 from 1. So after multiplying 5 from 1, we will get 5. After this, we have to multiply 4 from 3. Now after this, we have to multiply 6 from 2. So after multiplying 6 from 2, we will get 12. Now we have to add it. So 5, 12, 12 and 1 in the carry. We have to add it. So we will get 30. We will write 0 of 30 on the left of 2 in the answer, and 3 in the carry. Now in step 4, we have to multiply diagonally. We have to multiply 5 from 2. So we will get 10. Now we have to multiply 4 from 6. Now we know that after multiplying, we have to add the number that comes. So we have to add 10, 24, and 3 in the carry. We will write 7 of 37 on the left of 0 in the answer, and 3 in the carry. Now in step 5, we have to multiply 5 from 4. So we will get 20. So we will get 23. And our answer is 237,023. I hope you liked this video. Here it is. Try to solve this question with this trick. If you get the answer easily, then write the answer in the comment section. This video ends here. And thank you all for watching this video.